guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are all welcome. Today we are doing a very simple recipe as always. Okay, this is called a happy juice. This juice is inspired by Clodagh from this morning in UK. Okay, this morning program, and I put my own stuff in it as well. So this is what I am doing today. It's a very nutritious juice that you have to take in the mornings, and it will help you. Okay, it's very healthy and really good and really nutritious. Okay, so what I have here, I'm going to show you what I'm going to put in this happy juice. So guys, what I have here, I have some mango. These are frozen mangoes. Okay, frozen mangoes, frozen pineapple. Okay, and then I have some celery, I have some cucumber, some kale, and also I have some ginger. Okay, and also I do have some spinach. So as you can see, this is very nutritious because spinach and kale, okay, they are really superfoods that help with your immune system. Okay, a lot of vitamin C also to help you, and also with the celery, it helps reduce inflammation. There are a lot of things that this one, they are all superfoods. So if you take this in the mornings, I tell you, you are going to have a very great day. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my ninja blender today. Okay, so I'm putting that into my blender. I have my pineapple, and then I have put all these things into it: celery, the cucumber, and my ginger. So refreshing. So guys, I have everything in my blender. Okay, so in order to make it quite nice, okay, and delicious, I have this fat-free yogurt that I add to it so that it will max the bitterness of the kale and the spinach. Okay, so I'm adding about 2 or 3 tablespoons of yogurt, strawberry yogurt. And then I'm going to add, to help it blend nice, I'm going to add a little bit of coconut water. That's it. So I'm going to blend this, and I'll tell you, it tastes good and it's really nutritious. So you have to try this recipe, okay? So guys, this is our juice packed with a lot of nutrients for you in the mornings. I tell you, it tastes really good as well. You can see that some green juices are not nice, but this one is absolutely delicious, I tell you, and it's really nutritious. You have pineapple that helps with digestion, a lot of vitamin C. Okay, pineapple also helps with arthritis as well, and it's got a lot of antioxidants. Okay, spinach, kale, celery, oh my goodness, cucumber helps hydration, and all helps with digestion as well, and the vitamin C helps with your your skin and everything. It's packed with lots of nutrients, so you have to try this recipe. You can just look at this, it's really vibrant. But take this every morning, and I tell you, you will see a really good difference in your day. Okay, so if you like this happy juice, okay, please subscribe to my channel, and please like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications, okay, so when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.